Get ready for the Galaxy A55 5G. It's not just an upgrade, it's a total game changer. Here's what's in store. Smooth experience. Enjoy a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals perfect for gaming and binge watching. Sleek design. With its Infinity O design and glass and metal body, the A55 5G is set to turn heads with its premium look and feel. Powerful performance. Say hello to the Exynos 1480 processor, promising a significant boost in performance and efficiency, addressing past concerns about power. Plenty of memory. Choose between 6GB or 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB, catering to both casual users and storage-hungry power users. Pro-level photography. Capture stunning shots with the triple-lens rear camera setup, including a 50-megapixels main shooter for flagship-level photography, even in low light. Wide and selfie excellence. Elevate your selfie game and wide-angle shots with an enhanced 12-megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 32-megapixels front camera. Latest software. Preloaded with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6.1, the A55 5G promises a seamless and feature-rich user experience. Long-lasting battery. With a 5,000 mAh battery, enjoy robust all-day battery life and get quick power-ups with at least 25W fast charging. In summary, the Galaxy A55 5G offers a perfect blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology without breaking the bank. Keep an eye out for this one. It's sure to make waves in the smartphone world.